Hey guys, welcome back to another Queen Form video. In today's video, we're talking about Verizon offering now permanent Apple Arcade subscriptions included in its unlimited plan. So before, you had to pay for the service. Apple Arcade is a monthly subscription service that you have to pay to get access to hundreds of games that you normally would either have to pay for or something like that. So it's good for gamers. I like the game, and it's pretty cool for people that just want to play some games while they're waiting for the bus or doctor's appointment, or just bored, either at work or just out in the park or something. I don't know. So it's pretty cool. Let's get into it. Like I said, we'll skim through this, and I can give you my personal opinion. So it says Verizon last year announced its customers with unlimited plans would have access to free Apple Arcade for 6 to 12 months. That is true, but now it looks like they're changing their mind, guys. That, of course, at 6 to 12 months, dependent on the plan. Of course, the more expensive plan, you get the 12 months. The cheaper one, you just get 6 months. It says the company has revealed to customers on the 5G Play More and 5G Get More plans will now have permanent access to Apple's gaming platform. So it's pretty cool, actually. It says on Verizon's website, both plans now include a permanent subscription to Apple Arcade or Google Play Pass as long as the customer keeps an unlimited plan. So as long as you have the unlimited plan, guys, you will be able to have access to Apple Arcade or Google Play Pass. So which is pretty cool. Let's say you have a Samsung or something. Of course, you're not going to really get Apple Arcade. That's more tailored to like Apple. So Google Play Pass, you can get that as well. That's a pretty good thing. So it says Apple only offers a 1-month free trial of Apple Arcade for new users. So having unlimited free access to the platform is definitely a nice benefit. That is true. I haven't even tried the unlimited, or should I say the free trial of Apple Arcade. I don't know. It doesn't really cater to me, but it could cater to a lot of people since I have different games I play. Of course, Verizon also has other benefits. It says there are other benefits that come with Verizon's unlimited plans, which of course Verizon is most expensive, but they do give you a lot of perks like Apple Arcade. Also includes access to Disney Plus, Hulu, ESPN, and even Apple Music. Oh, wow. It says with the 5G Play More plan, you get 25 gigs of mobile hotspot with unlimited data at reduced speed. So while the 5G Get More plan offers 50 gigs of mobile hotspot. Wow. So I said they're really giving you a lot of stuff. I mean, 50 gigs of mobile hotspot, that's pretty crazy. Of course, both plans come with unlimited talk, text, and data depending on the plan. It says roaming when traveling to Mexico and Canada, and support for 5G and 5G ultra wideband networks. So it says customers who already subscribed to one of Verizon's unlimited plans are now getting the upgrade to the new plan of Apple Arcade or Google Play Pass for free, and that is pretty cool, of course. Like I said, this video is pretty short, guys. Nothing too crazy this week. But a lot more stuff. What do you think? Is this something cool? Like I said, I honestly would be fine with them just offering Disney Plus, Hulu, ESPN, and Apple Music. Those are the 4 different things that I actually use, honestly. Apple Arcade or Google Play Pass, I don't. I should probably try it. Let me know in the comments below if you guys would try it. So, thanks for watching. Please comment, rate, and subscribe, guys. And let me know what you guys think about that.